day, everyone. I am Alexa Franchet of St. Palmares, and I am your weather reporter. Here is the weather forecast for today, March 19, 2025. The Philippines is divided into three major island groups: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. In Metro Manila, partly sunny with a high of 35 degrees Celsius and a low of 25 degrees Celsius. The heat index is expected to reach 42 degrees Celsius, which falls under the danger level. In Cebu City, mostly cloudy with heavy showers. Watch for flooding. High of 28 degrees Celsius and low of 22 degrees Celsius. The heat index is expected to reach 42 degrees Celsius, indicating a danger level. In Davao City, cloudy and very humid with a couple of thunderstorms. High of 33 degrees Celsius and low of 22 degrees Celsius. The heat index is expected to reach 42 degrees Celsius, categorized as a danger level. Sunrise at 5:31 a.m. and sunset at 5:43 p.m. General advisory: the northeast monsoon is affected Luzon while the shear line is influencing the eastern section of Visayas. Residents are advised to stay hydrated, avoid outdoor activities during peak heat hours, and be cautious of potential heat-related illness due to the high heat index. Stay safe and have a great day. Again, I am Alexa Franchet of St. Palmares, your weather reporter. Thank you.